80 animals.
Peapowl.
Hello, everybody. It's great to see you. Are you having a good time learning about animals? I'm having a good time too. Today, we will study a kind of bird, the peafowl. Look at the picture. This is a peafowl. It has very beautiful feathers. It's time to learn some words. Let's look at the pictures.
Fantastic. When we see something very wonderful, we say it is fantastic. In the picture, the kids are watching fireworks. They think the fireworks are fantastic. Feather. This is a feather. Birds have feathers. They cover the bird's body. So, a bird can keep warm in winter thanks to its feathers. Fan. A fan is a flat thing. In the picture, the kids have fans in their hands. They wave the fans to make themselves feel cooler.
Listen and choose the right picture for the word. Fan. Feather. Fantastic.
It's time to read a story. When you finish, you will take a quiz.
What bird has the most fantastic feathers? It's the peafowl. But not all peafowls have fantastic feathers. Only males have them. A male peafowl is called a peacock. A female peafowl is called a peahen. The peafowl in the picture is a male. It fans and shows its feathers. A peafowl lives in the forest. People also raise it on a farm. Peafowls live in Southeast Asia, South Asia, and Africa.
Which peafowl has fantastic feathers? Male peafowl. Female peafowl. Which peafowl is called a peahen? Male peafowl. Female peafowl. What is true? Peafowl live only in Africa. People raise peafowl on a farm.
Did you enjoy this lesson? Great! I did too. That's all for today. Goodbye.